Ready? Oh, what's this? It's a couple. Merry Christmas, guys. I hope you're well. If you're new to the channel, my name's Thomas Blakemore. I teach travel and sometimes triumph, and this is going to be a type of teacher triumph video. Let me explain. It is Christmas and it's that time of year again where you receive gifts, but also for me coming back from the UK down to Dubai, it gives me the opportunity to do some Amazon shopping. Amazon in Dubai isn't quite as good as the one in the UK, so whenever I come back to the UK, I like to do a little bit of Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to unbox a range of different packages from Amazon, talk about how they relate to teaching, if they do, but also talk about some other bits and pieces that I've received for Christmas and how they relate to my teaching. First things first is a type of thing that relates to my teaching, but more towards this channel, and that is this box that you have just seen here. So this is a light box. Now, in its full form, it will light up and it will look really, really cool in the background. So I'm gonna put it behind me without the light, but give me a chance to set that up now. So this light box is just something that's going to make my backdrop. I'm hoping to create more of a studio back in Dubai. So this can go in the background over here. The next item that I'm really excited about is this, which is the Amazon Echo Dot. Now, the reason I'm really excited about this is the implications that it can have for my teaching. There are a range of different ways in which I can use this in the classroom, and that's the main reason I have this, is so that I can use it in my teaching. So some of the ways I can use them, for example, is the whole Alexa functionality. So if I say something along the lines of, Alexa, how do I spell echelon?
Echelon is spelled E-C-H-E-L-O-N.
There we go, E-C-H-E-L-O-N. I bet I've spelled that wrong now, which is probably going to be embarrassing, but I feel like I could do a separate video just on this, which is all the different ways in which I can use this inside the classroom. Not only that, it's just going to be nice because I can also play music at the start of the day and at the end of the day as well. As well as that, the children will probably enjoy having some sort of music playing from this. It's just something that I thought would be really good for teaching. So let's get into the actual unboxing of all the different bits and pieces from Amazon. Now, here are all the different packages. I've got a funny feeling that some are actually missing, so we'll have to find out as we go along. So let's start off with the little ones. Now, I don't know if every single package is going to be related to teaching, but we'll find out. That's a no, so this is just a simple phone case, but it's something that I need and couldn't find properly in Dubai. Hey ho. Package. AirPods Pro case is something that I've been needing for a while now. Now the AirPods Pros, for some reason there's a little bit of wear. If you haven't seen my AirPods Pros video, then you can check that out up there. But that's hopefully something that will protect my case a little bit more. A case for a case. Seems a waste, but I don't want it to damage if I drop it. Now, I'm not really sure what's inside this one. This is something that I've wanted for a while. Now, these are 2-in-1 Beryl dry white pens. When I'm teaching, I constantly find myself needing some sort of different colours. I'm hoping that having a range of different colours will really develop my teaching because I'll be able to mark as I'm going along with the children. So, for example, if I'm modelling some writing and I ask the children, well, what's good about this, I can mark the work as I'm going along, putting up errors or corrections in just a range of different colours. So this should give me more flexibility when I'm teaching. Next package is a strange one. I did order it from Amazon, but it didn't come in an Amazon box. There we go. Something you always need as a teacher is stickers. Who doesn't love a sticker? I've gone through so many stickers this first term for some reason. I just feel like I'm just giving them out. But the children love them, so I've ordered myself some more stickers and 2 packs. It's always good. Next package. Now, there's a couple of bits and pieces. Screen protector and more stickers because why not? So this is the next package. It's like past the parcel, and I think I know what this is. Yes, winner. So if you can see this, this is a little stamp, and it says Mr. Blakemore Mr. Blakemore thinks this is fantastic, and I really like these custom stamps, even more so than stickers, to be fair, because stickers you can only use them once. These are obviously refillable and you can just keep using them. I've had a teacher stamp since starting teacher training, so I've had one specific Mr. Blakemore teacher stamp since, yeah, there's probably about 5 years. In my head, I feel like there's some bits and pieces that are still missing, but I can't quite figure that out in my head. Maybe something along the lines of pens for teaching and marking. So that marks the end of my Christmas video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you've got any questions about the things that I've bought or any recommendations for things that you think that I would benefit from Amazon, then leave them down in the comments below. If you want to buy any of the bits and pieces that I have shown you throughout this video, then I'm going to post some affiliated links down in the description. And yeah, if you do enjoy the video, feel free to like it. If you're new to the channel, always feel free to subscribe down in the corner, click the notification bells, and you'll be alerted when I post. It's always really appreciated, the amount of time that you guys give me to watch these videos. It's just something that I do really appreciate. Hopefully I will see you in the next one, but for now, have a fantastic Christmas, and I'm going to go and enjoy mine. But for now, I'm out.